Hello everyone. Today we'll take a look at the 5 best baby food makers that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. NutriBullet NBR Blender. It is a good machine that accompanies various mugs that enables you to set up 7 days of food in minutes. From one viewpoint, it's pleasant to have a blender incorporate such a large number of parts that make putting away and transporting baby food so natural. It includes a strong motor that can deal with everything from products of the soil to meats and hard nuts. It accompanies a practical dating framework and various stockpiling holders to simple protection. This machine can deal with foods for all phases of baby advancement. It likewise gloats the charming, smiley look on the front to influence you to believe there's something extremely extraordinary about this blender. At number 4. Hamilton Beach 12-cup stack and snap food processor. One of the most exceedingly awful parts of making your baby food is the complete cleanup, mainly if your machine incorporates heaps of fiddly parts that must be hand-washed. It's a sufficient issue to make those locally acquired containers appear to be engaging. Be that as it may, if handcrafted baby food is critical to you, look at the Hamilton Beach BB Food Maker, an adaptable across-the-board framework, which easily handles cleaning. Joined with a finished handle, it accompanies a device that can rapidly pound up foods grown from the ground. Its little size makes it ideal for both home and away utilize. The bowl has a non-slip base that guarantees it won't slide on the counter or cause a wreck. Cleanup is simple since it is dishwasher protected and free from any overwhelming metals. At number 3. Infantino Squeeze Station. This machine is ideal for giving children a chance to suck out puree foods. This machine is anything but difficult to learn and suitable for averting chaotic dinners. Permanently embed the pocket and pour in puree dinners. Pushing down on the best will seal the pouch. Children will love simple meals. Besides, sucking on the pocket will diminish the disturbed gums. It accompanies a non-slip base and incorporates the first 10 pockets. Children will love the suppers. This item accompanies a non-slip base. It includes 10 sacks that mitigate painful gums. The pockets are simple for kids to utilize. At number 2. BEABA Babycook 4 of every one. The BEABA Babycook is more costly than the others. For your cash, you get a keen, sturdy machine that ought to go all the way. It intends to do virtually everything including defrosting, warming, steaming and mixing. The Babycook has a big bowl that is awesome in cooking for the group, while its small size means it has a little impression on your kitchen top. Tragically, you need to steam in one bowl and after that exchange the substance to a different bowl before mixing. That is somewhat of agony and means additionally cleaning up. Cleaning-wise, be that as it may, it's quite simple. Guardians have remarked that the water repository is challenging to get to, making it dubious to keep clean. Finally at number 1. Babymove Duo Meal Station Food Maker. The keep going section on the rundown is this baby food maker from Babymove. This gadget presents incredible highlights, similar to the nearness of 2 different steaming dishes and of a water tank that is available for legitimate cleaning. That is the top-of-the-line model of baby food makers. You can steam, defrost, warmth, and mix your food with 10 different programmable capacities, and also warm and disinfect bottles. The best part is that this thing can influence a tremendous amount of food on the double to spare you on time. Regardless of whether the food makers reminded above are best with regards to dealing with an activity, this unit likewise displays some incredible highlights and a decent value which settle on it the decision of several guardians. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.